Yeah. Yeah, they just get on to it. The bus stop, you know. Laughing like mad. Yeah. Okay. Talking about some drugs, yeah. Got a lot of people I'm searching for, Lord. Talking about some drugs. The more you get it, they still want more. More. So they still want more. Yeah. I'm really upside down.
And these ones, it's very good push-up. It's got like 30 years experience. He's all over the places.
Thank you.
Sorry.
No problem.
Yeah.
Can I put the chicken if you don't mind?
My roll back. Or just like yeah, that's perfect.
Go on, you good?
Yeah, that's it. How are you? Because I'm watched by that little show. Why not? I don't like it. That's 364 please. Okay. One box you fight. I carry bus.
Thank you.
One more fight. That's okay. And two murgi master. Two murgi master, one more fight. And if you good master like that one. There's not much now. It's coming delivery now. Is there any much? Are they bringing it? It's done, yeah?
Thank you, my man.
One more fight, two murgi master, and one more
Yeah. Oh. So get me on. Yum. That's all I did want anyway. So get that. Didn't get no banana because I got nothing, so that's good enough for me. Right. Special offer. So we get one of this. Can be good. Hello, how are you?
I'm good. Yourself?
Yeah. And, yeah. How much that going to come to? My too much because I'm broke as a church mouse. It was your church mouse?
Tiny.
Tiny. Yeah.
194.
194. What a bargain, man. Now I can go do my stew. Yeah.
Chicken pepper casserole yesterday.
Huh?
I had chicken casserole yesterday. I was happy.
I don't eat meat though. So my stew will be like peas and corn and how much?
$1.94.
194. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 5.
Perfect. There you go.
I gotta take the gloves off to pick up that money. I'm not feeling it. Don't worry, I'm getting it.
You'll get there in a minute.
Yeah. So I have to take the gloves off. Thank you. Okay, let's put that in. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah. Okay. So now get my bag with my food. Now I might have to just go and walk back down to the place, my yard, and start to do my cooking. I won't show you that anyway, but I won't show you my cooking. Yeah, because I'm not going to show off and show people nothing. That's where the bus stop park up, so there you go. I'll hold it for them up there. Yeah, so there you go. Once it go beep, you cross the street. If it doesn't go beep, you don't cross the street. So, and that's how it works. See? You gotta go beep till you cross the street. Yeah? So, oh, I'll get it for you. Okay. All right. Okay. It's that's it. This thing has changed. It changed like the advertisement or whatever. You see that? You get different advertisement. So it changes every little minute. You get a different one. You see that? That's how it works. Yeah. Right to the bus stop. Changing advertisement sign. Yeah. So there's a black guy working in that restaurant. So I'm in there doing this thing.